Hello friends, welcome to our channel Neon Forge. I am back with another cooking video which is about an exclusive Kerala snack and a traditional one too. Kerala is a land of coconut trees and banana plants. Being brought up in Kerala, I grew up seeing and experiencing the greenery provided by these trees. Banana is a must-have fruit in almost all houses. Now let us see the preparation of the banana snack. The snack name is banana fritters. It is one of the most popular and favorite snack of all Malayalis. I too love this snack. In my childhood, I used to devour many of them as soon as it is prepared. It still continues to be my favorite snack. Now let's get into the preparation and see the ingredients. Nendram banana, maida, a little bit of salt, sugar, turmeric powder and oil to fry. First we need to cut the banana into two halves and also lengthwise. You can cut into any shape, but I have taken it as lengthwise. Next we need to prepare batter for the snack. For that we need to have I have taken maida flour. I am adding a little bit of salt. You can add sugar and a little bit of turmeric powder just to give a little bit of color. Then I am going to add water and mix. The batter should neither be too liquid nor be too thick. The consistency should be such that this should get properly soaked. The banana should get properly soaked. I think I can add a little bit of water also. This consistency seems to be correct. Next we need to place the oil on flame. We need to wait till the oil gets heated up. While the oil is getting heated up, I will explain the benefits of the banana. Nendram banana contains high amount of fiber. It helps in digestion and it is a rich source of nutrients like vitamins, minerals, iron and potassium. It also helps to fight anemia. In Kerala, I have seen that it is usually given to babies in the form of a semi-solid state. The raw form of this banana is cut into thin pieces and dried very well. It is then powdered and made into a paste, and then it is given to the babies that gives them more bone strength right from their childhood days. The oil is heated up. Now we are going to soak the bananas one by one in the batter and we are going to fry them in the oil. Seems very yummy. I just feel like I want to have them. We need to turn it upside down so that it gets heated up evenly. When the color starts to change to golden brown, we can remove it. Yeah, now this has come out well, so we can remove it and transfer it to another bowl. I have prepared this in maida. Now health conscious people can even do it in wheat flour. Only thing is we needn't add the turmeric powder. Banana fritters is now ready. It can be served with steaming hot tea. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another exciting video.